JessEm Master Lift 2. What we got inside here? Ow. Now that looks well built. Pack. See what's in the bubbles here. There we go. The adjusting handle. More bubble wrap. Okay. We got some hardware. This looks like a leveling hardware for installing this. The insert rings with the locking tool. Okay. Packing out of here. The whole thing out. Wow. That is well built. And of course, your user manual and installation instructions. So, take a good look at this. Nice. I want to take a look.
Okay, just going to talk over myself here because I made a big mistake in this one. This adjustment is 1/16th per revolution down to 1/1000th of an inch on the micro bezel. Very accurate.
And your spindle lock. Same tool that does the adjustment also does the spindle lock. Right there. Now your adjustment is locked down. Very nice. And this thing is well built. Solid. Okay. I'm getting in the instructions here. The size router this held up to a let me see. Okay, the plate on it is 9 1/4 by 11 3/4, and this holds a bunch of different routers listed here on the side that it holds. So if one of those is your router, or you want to buy a router to fit this. Also, this only came with 3 insert rings, so we bought the 10-piece set to go along with it. No, I'm not sponsored. No, they didn't give this to me. Had to pay for this one, folks. So yeah, until I get into the instructions and how this is set up and how it operates, all I can say right now is wow, this is really nice construction.